all are fine. Today I am going to take your science class once again. I have already taken your species soil chapter 3 in the previous class. So I have already discussed about the species soils. I have taken so many classes related to this chapter. In my first class I have discussed about the soil formation. After that I have discussed about what the soil content. As you know, the soil contains humus, clay, sand and the stone. After that I have discussed about in the previous class. I have told about the types of soil. As you know, the three types of soil is there, that is the clay soil, sandy soil and the loamy soil. So in my previous class I have I think I discussed about the sandy soil. So today I am going to give some recap about that. Sandy soil is made up of the fine particles of soil, and it is generally found in the riverside, desert and the seashore, and it contains a big gap between the particles. So as it is big gap, it can hold much, it can fill with the air between the spaces. As and one thing is more, as it is space between the particles, it cannot hold water. And cement, it is used to make the cement and the concentration of building. The next is the I just going to just write the names of the types of the soil. The first one, the sandy soil, that I have already explained. Then the next one is the clay soil. The third is the loamy soil. Clay soil. Just sandy soil I have explained. Clay soil. The clay soil is very fine particles of soil. It is a very fine particles of soil. I have already showed you in the experiment also. There you have the above the clay is there, and it is very fine particles. Okay, as it is very fine, it is very smooth and soft to touch, and it can hold a lot of water, and it is stick together very stick together very closely, leaving no space between the stick together very closely, leaving no space in the particles, leaving no space between the particles, so no air is filled between the spaces. It is used to make toys, bricks, so in the clay soil you have seen, it is smooth and soft to touch. It can hold a lot of water. It is stick together very closely, leaving no space between the particles. As it is stick together very close and no space is there, the how air is filled. So no air is filled between the spaces. And it is used to make toys, bricks and pots. This is all about the clay soil, and about the last soil is the loamy soil. It is a mixture of both sand and clay together to form loam. So it is a mixture of both sandy soil and the clay soil, and this mixture is an equal amount in the both sand and the clay soil. And loam is the best soil for plants. Why it is best soil plant? Because it contains air, water and humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. Now our next point is that the it can hold both air and water. It has rich in humus. It is rich in humus. So, what about the loamy soil? I have told it is a mixture of both sand and clay together. The mixture is in equal amount, and loam is the best soil for plants because it contains air, water, and humus. Humus makes the soil fertile. It can hold both air and water, and it is rich in. Yes, I'm just going to tell you one thing, that the different types of soil required for the growth of the different types of crops. We cannot grow the same type of growth crops in the only one type of soil. If you want to grow the crops in the same soil, the production will be not that much. Okay, so some soil crops require the sandy soil, some crop require the clay soil, and some require the loamy soil. So for the good amount of production of the any crop, we need different types of soil. And one thing more, if we add in any type of soil, in a manure in the soil, then the production will increase more. Okay, if we add the manure in the sandy soil and we plant any crop, then what will happen? Our production will be more amount. So why we add the manure? Because manure contains the cow dung and the decaying leaves. And if we add the manure in the plant in the soil, then what will happen? The soil fertility will be increased, and it also reach in humus. So to increase the fertility of the soil, we must add the manure in the soil, so we get the more amount of crops. So I think all of you understand. So one thing more, but I just want to tell you one thing, please plant more and more trees, because it is very essential for our life. It cleans our surroundings, cleans the environment, and tree also reduces the soil erosion. So I think all of you know the importance of the plants in our life. So plant more amount of trees. Today I have just finished this chapter in the precious soil. I have taken the already full classes related to this chapter. I think all of you understand this chapter properly. If you have any question related to this chapter, you should ask me for today. Thank you.